What's up, Cereal Squad? I'm Cereal Insanity. Thank you for joining me for another Funko Fun Day, Cereal Sunday. Today we got them Cocoa Puffs. Oh, Cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. And Cuckoo for chocolatey milk. Now we've already discussed another General Mills product called Trix. Trix is the fruity version of Kix. Now get this, Cocoa Puffs is the chocolate version of Kix. Who knew? Frosted corn puffs. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, baby. Chocolate. Kix. And of course we got the Funko Pocket Pop of Sonny, the Cuckoo Bird. Cocoa Puffs were created in 1956, but it wasn't until 1962 that we saw Sonny. And he originally looked like this. He had a white and pink striped shirt. Sometime around 2004, they decided he should just be naked. Who knows? Naked cuckoo birds. He's so cuckoo, he can't even find some clothes no more. What's up with this? When Cocoa Puff splashes down in your bowl, it turns the milk to an extra sloppy, slurpalicious sugar-tainment treat. Can you help Sonny spot the slide that leads to a delicious chocolatey milk dip, then ride down the tubes to find 6 hidden words that fill in? It's the first one. Let's just see. Whoa! Whoa! And this guy goes, wow! Could you imagine? You go down the slide, you build all that momentum, and then it's just like, you just hit your head and you don't even get no Cocoa Puffs. Boom, baby! Ah! Sorry, Sonny. So originally, check it out. Originally in the olden days, there was a dual mascot character situation. There was Gramps, the old wise cuckoo bird, and then there was Sonny. That's why they called him Sonny, because he's just a youngster. Hey, Sonny, let me tell you about life. And then they did away with Gramps and just had Sonny on his own. Woo! Chocolate Kix. Oh, yeah. Are you Cocoa for Cocoa Puff? Oh, these are not very good. Woo! The deal, I don't like these at all. These are worse than the Funko cereals. I guess they're better in milk. So his character arc is that he's always, doing stuff. I don't know. Maybe he has a variety of careers. Maybe he's like a dog catcher. Maybe he's a logger. I don't know. I always imagine him as a lumberjack or something. Maybe he's like an archaeologist. Then all of a sudden someone's like, oh, he just overhears this conversation where people are like, you know what I really like? Long walks on the beach and Cocoa Puffs. And he goes, Cocoa Puffs? Somebody say Cocoa Puffs? I'm cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. These really aren't good. What do you think? Are you a fan? If they're promoting chocolatey milk, they should at least give you a straw in there. A bright and colorful cuckoo straw for your cuckoo milk. What's your favorite cereal? Leave a comment in the cereal box below. I gotta tell you, General Mills makes my favorite. It's called Lucky Charms. And apparently they make my least favorite. It's called Cocoa Puffs. I think I would rather eat regular plain old Kicks than these Cocoa Puffs. But Kicks doesn't have a cool mascot they can make a pocket pop out of. Or do they? Look how hard they are to smash. Maybe they're made with birdseed or something. I gotta check this out. Whole grain corn. 100 calories per serving. 15 calories per 10-ounce box. Unlike the last two General Mills products, I didn't get the family size. But this was just as expensive. It was just at a smaller store. Well, that's about it. That's about all I can take of these. Thumbs up.